Good morning to one and all. I am presenting the poster entitled Climate Change Effects on the Floristic Diversity of Forest Ecosystems near Palakkad Gap region. Palakkad Gap, a 32-kilometer break in the Western Ghats, acts as a corridor between two states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The strong desiccating winds flowing through the Gap region influences the climate and weather states in the Palakkad district. Hence, the presence of unique floristic elements is observed in the Palakkad Gap region, which includes Oldenlandia hygrophila, Mystera aculeata, Euphorbia tortilis, etc. The present study mainly focuses to analyze the climate change effects on the floristic diversity of different forest ecosystems near the Palakkad Gap region, giving emphasis to the effect of alien invasive taxa on the natural vegetation. To achieve this aim, certain methodologies has been adopted, which includes floristic exploration and collection, identification of the collected taxa using floras and manuals, the identification of vegetation types, nomenclatural validation, identification of endemic and threatened taxa, finally the identification of the invasive elements using recent literature. Moving to the results. The exploration in the study area resulted in the identification of 901 angiosperms belonging to 123 families. About 137 endemic taxa is recorded from the study area and 19 threatened taxa is identified. The exploration also identified 53 taxa to have the invasive nature. Diminishing biodiversity by climate change is evident due to increasing temperature regimes, unpredicted heavy rainfalls, followed by mudslips and landslides. These landslides and mudslips in our study area caused disturbances in the natural habitat, resulting in the fragmentation of habitats of endemic, rare and plants with narrow bioclimatic envelopes and ecological amplitude. This result in the invasion of exotic and alien species, which limit the ability of native species to migrate or establish in its natural habitat. The study identified Lantana camara, Mesoferum suaviolens, Micania micrantha, Croton hirtus, Mimosa diplotrica, Chromalina odorata, Parthenium hysterophorus having high invasive potency, and these taxa destabilize the forest ecosystem by accelerating the population reduction of native species. The expansion of occurrence of dry and moist deciduous elements along with the reduction of high altitude grassland elements and evergreen taxa indicates the sign of desertification in the Gap region. This highlights the need for the restoration of the native ecosystem without the intrusion of alien invasive taxa, which destabilizes this natural ecosystems. Thank you.